Hello everybody, my name is Meera Iyer. Uh, I have studied BA, LLB and LLM and currently I am pursuing MBA. From the start itself, from the first day onwards, we were told about the signatures, our handwriting was analyzed, through that our traits were told, like what exactly behavior and emotional traits we carry. Then we were given the signatures to practice daily. The signatures, even today also we are practicing daily. The timing was given. So since then till now, it has brought really a tremendous change. It has brought really a positive change within me. So thereafter, the experience of PLR came. Mugdha madam and Kiran sir, they told us to go through this PLR session. On the start, actually I couldn't understand like what exactly the PLR would be. I have heard about it through television. I have seen the program also. Actually, unless and until I experienced it, I couldn't make out what exactly it would be. So we said okay, and then we went to the program. It was like 2 days workshop. The experience which we got through that PLR session was really amazing. It's like we could see our past lives. We could actually see and experience our past lives, like what exactly we have gone through in our past life. Everything was being brought out in those sessions, and which was really a very unusual experience for me. There is a concept called soulmates. Actually, even from the first day itself, Mugdha madam and Kiran sir were saying soulmates and all. Till then, before going to PLR, I was like totally unaware about this concept called soulmates. I was like totally thinking. I didn't know what exactly it is. But then after going through PLR session, I could understand. I could actually experience what exactly soulmates is all about. Even in this session, I got to know that Kiran sir and Mugdha madam, they are my soulmates. Even my mother is also related to me since so many lives. So this kind of understanding or this kind of indications I got when I went through PLR. And then when I came from PLR, I googled about the informations. Because I saw one of my life in PLR, and I saw the date also, like it was somewhere around 19th century, like 1850 and all. I saw like so many things I just experienced in that life, which was quite related to something Lucknow, in the city of Lucknow and Nawabs and all. So I could make out from that this is something like very nearby. It's in a nearby history. So then I went through. I did Google. I did surf about it. I googled it. I just found out that there is a history of those culture, like Nawabs, the dynasty of Nawabs, what exactly their lifestyle was. And actually I saw myself to be a part of that family in the past life. So that when I saw that, when I googled it, I got many informations about it, like from the start, what exactly the dynasty is all about, from when it started, and what kind of culture they were following to the food they were eating, and as well as there is a tehzeeb called Ganga and Jamuna tehzeeb. So, which means it's a culture of and mixture of both Hindu and Muslim. So this really gave me an idea about what exactly I saw in PLR has got a lot of connection. It has got a lot of evidence. I could say I have right now with me, and I shared it with Kiran sir as well as Mugdha madam about it. And even they were like, they really said that it's a really wonderful thing that I collected evidence about it, and it really has a reference with whatever I have gone through in the sessions. So for this reason, and after those sessions, I would like to say that I really experienced a very positive outcome. I was like totally expressionless, like I couldn't reveal my emotions and all. But then after going through all the sessions and after counseling, and these sir and madam, they actually counseled me, and through the sessions I really improved myself, and I could actually I am able to express myself. So that's a really plus point for me right now. So, and it really helped me a lot, and still it is helping me since just 2 months have passed, and this kind of changes has happened in my life. So I would really like to thank them for giving me and helping me to get such kind of unusual experiences, and as well as my mother, because she told me that this kind of thing is happening and I came here, as well as her friend Mrs. Parvati Iyer, because she had recommended us, and I will really want others also to come in this sessions and really experience, to come over here and really experience the uniqueness or whatever the positivity they will get over here. I really want everyone to come and experience it.